All right, today we're gonna draw an adorable snail. So let's start with his head. We're gonna draw a curved line for the top of his head, a tiny curved line. Then we're gonna draw his little antennas. So it's like a line, a circle, and a line. We're gonna do it on both sides. And we're gonna try to make both sides about the same size. Then we're gonna draw his body. It's gonna curve and then flatten towards the bottom and stop. Then it's gonna curve on the other side and then flatten and stop. Then he needs his shell, so we're gonna go around, around, and stop when it touches his body. So now we have his body, we have his shell. Then we're gonna draw this swirly design on the inside of his shell. This swirly design on the inside of his shell. And then last but not least, we need to draw his face. So we're going to draw two circles for the eyes. They're going to be the same size. And then after that, we're going to draw another circle inside of the circle. And then to make our snail extra cute, we're going to add a few more circles. So this one and then this smaller one on the inside. Then we're going to go in and we're going to color that second circle. We're going to go ahead and color it in. That's going to be his pupils. Then he needs some eyebrows above his eyes. And then he has a tiny little mouth and tongue. All right. Once you've got that done, you've drawn your snail. Now we're gonna go ahead and color our snails. So here's mine. I decided to do pink, and then for the shell, I did blue and green, but you can do any colors you want. All right, guys, have fun coloring your snails. Bye.